it's where that water goes and how much of it turns actually into sea level. That's the big question, right? 6-7 metres requires a whole reorganisation of how we live and our civilization, because you write off some of the most populated parts of the world, you know, downtown London. Well, I guess that's gone.
In order to study the ice shelf's geological history, they need to find sediment on the seafloor beneath it, so they can sample it as part of the project in future years.
I mean, we can throw the stream around now,
Okay.
and then thump away along.
We just want to make sure that this is the right place. You know, we've just dragged all this equipment out here. The immediate goal is just see the seafloor, make sure it's there and that it's flat and smooth, and that there aren't big rocks in the way.
What number are we up to?
17.
For the science world, this is a big deal. You know, we're talking about megabucks for us, a lot of time, a lot of effort from a lot of people. There's a lot riding on it.
To determine if they're in the right spot, the team will launch a hydraulically driven 500-pound weight, called the Thumper, at the ice, and use the reflected sound heard by 96 geological microphones to create a picture of what they can't see.
Basically, we're slicing through the ice shelf, through the ocean and into the seafloor. We turn that slice on its side, and then we can see the different layers inside the ocean.
Make sure you tap the snow out of these things.
So we don't have a short circuit, right?
Exactly.
So our goal is to actually get that picture of what's underneath the ice shelf. And we hope that our research will impact those people that decide, right, climate change, this is a problem now. This carbon dioxide is going to kill the ice. It's going to melt it, and we're going to be in trouble. We've been building equipment for 6 months, and we're just really excited to actually get into it.
Ready?
Yep.
There it was.
Did you feel that?
All of our systems have come from different areas around the globe. So our geophone streamer came from Germany. Our computer system and the geodes, they came from the States. So it is a little bit nerve-wracking to see whether all of those components do interact and whether they work in an Antarctic environment.
Okay, triggered. So that's good.
So we're ready to move up?
Yeah, move up.
If our team is unsuccessful for finding a proper location, then it is basically the end of that aspect of the program. So I think we are a little bit worried.